Hey, what's up, XRP? XRP from previous days very badly fails down, but after a very bad fails, finally, my brother, XRP starting moving upward very fastly. This time, if you can see here, 14.4% they moving up. What's in upcoming days? What's next to XRP is moving upward in upcoming times or fails down? If they move upwards, exactly, my friend, everyone is in the profit. But if they fails down, so everyone is in the completely loss. So kindly holder, in this video we decide about this video, my friend. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. Exactly everything in this video. But remember, my all holder, this is not a financial video. Yes, this is not a financial video. I just advise you. Otherwise, if you want to invest, if you want to sell, if you want to hold, finally research personally. This is will be very good, great for my friend, for all of you. So come to the point. This time, before I get started this video, I request you to please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for this type more informative videos. Thank you so much. All right. The last 1 hour chart. First of all, the update is going to be very important, my brother. The last 1 hour chart is on the screen, and this time, if you can see, my friend, 14.04% they moving up just in only in the last 24 hours, and the price goes to 1.6 USD dollar. This time the current price has come down, but definitely, my friend, the last 24-hour average is 1.6 USD dollar. So, my friend, if we predicate this to upcoming times, they moving upward or they fails down. Exactly, I draw, my friends, the line one. You can see here, this is the my friends, the highest point. You can see here, this is they touch the highest point and the second lowest point. So it's me, my friends, to after a jump they fails down. You can see here they touch the second point, and after this, my friends, they take a again jump. So they move completely, and this circulation to after a jump they fails down completely, and but they moving and forward and upward. You can see here this time. So it's me, my friends, to upcoming times they moving upward. Yeah, exactly, after this circulation, my friend, this circulation show us to upcoming times the price is increasing now very fastly. So kindly all holder, if you are especially the new holder, then it's absolutely, my friend, this video is going to important for all of you. Kindly hold it, don't sell it. You can see this time absolutely my reflection is going to be right. You can see the last 1 hour chart is I open it and they completely moving upward. So it's me to the price is increased, and they give you very good profit at the end of this month. So kindly hold it to the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Don't sell it and be safe from loss. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type videos.